Problem number 28. A hexagonal pyramid of sides 35 mm and altitude 65. One side is equal to 35 and height is 65 mm. You have to draw a pyramid first, and these two are perpendicular to VP. That is the question. Here the base with two of its sides perpendicular to VP. Two of its sides are perpendicular to VP. And then the pyramid is cut. This pyramid is cut by a section plane at 30 millimeter above the XY line, or you can say it above the base, and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree on the axis. It is inclined at an angle of 30 degree intersecting at 30 mm above the axis. This is the question. Right. Now we'll construct this with the help of sketch. Now this is the hexagon with 35 millimeter. Two of its edges are perpendicular to VP and height is 65 millimeter, and at 30 millimeter on axis, this is also axis, on axis it is cut at an angle of 30 degree. Now you have to take 30 degree. From this point you have to take 30 degree. I have already taken 30 degree. Now we'll cut this pyramid. Right, we'll cut this pyramid which passing through this point. So this is the cut section, and this angle is 30 degree and height is 30 mm. Only this bottom part I would like to make dark. Only bottom part you have to make it dark. Right, only this part you have to make it dark till this. Right, this is the cut section. This is not dark. Right, this part till this should be made dark. It is inclined at 30 degree, and edges should be made dark so that it has been cut at that place. Now A is not visible, B is visible, B dash outside the bracket, A dash inside the bracket, C is visible, F is not visible, C dash, F dash inside the bracket, E is not visible, so D dash, E dash inside the bracket, and O1 dash, here it is O dash. Now there is no true length, right? So we'll construct true length. How to construct true length? How to construct true length? Draw horizontal line from O1. Right, I draw horizontal line from O1, and then take O as center, D as radius, or you can take E as radius. O as center, D as radius I have taken, and draw arc. Right, O as center, D as radius, draw arc till it intersect that horizontal line. So this is the point where it intersect, and then draw vertical line from that point till it intersect XY line. Right, till it intersect XY line, and then join this point to O. So this is called as true length, and we'll measure this true length. How much we'll get? Around 74 we'll get. Right, true length is equal to 74. How to get this? Draw horizontal line parallel to XY line from O1, and then O as center, D as radius, draw arc till it intersect that horizontal line, and then from that horizontal line draw vertical line till it intersect XY line, and then from that point join to O dash. There you will get a true length distance from O dash to this point. Now we got true length. We'll start numbering. Numbering, there is no cut on the base, so we'll not go for base. Only we'll cut on OA, OB, OC and OD, OE, OF. So we'll go for OA first. OA, first cut. OA is the first cut, and then OB is also there. OAB, so second cut is also there. First, second, and then we'll go for OC. Here OC is there, that is third cut. Third cut is there. OC, third cut, that is third cut is here, and then we'll go for OD. OD and OE are here. This is called as this cut. Fourth, fifth cuts are there. Fourth for OD, fifth for OE, and then here will come sixth point OEF cut. This is fourth, fifth, sixth cut for OEF. Right. Now we have 74 as true length. We'll take the true length. Before that, we'll transfer all the points to the true length. Always you have to follow this procedure. You have to transfer all the points to the true lengths. So 1, 2 I am transferring. So this point where we will get one distance, second distance, and already this point is there. We'll extend it. So till this, here we will get third point, sixth point, and 4 and 5th. Very small distance is there. So here we will get 4 and 5 distance. On true length only you have to take the distance. Now we'll draw this arc with a true length of 74 millimeter. So I've taken this distance. Now we'll draw arc of 74 mm distance. Right, I have drawn an arc of 74 mm distance. This point is called as O point. Now I'll join. Wherever you want, you can join it, no problem. There is no distance. It started from here, that's why I joined here, and this is A. Now we'll cut this arc by 35 millimeter. That is one side of hexagon. We'll cut it by 35 millimeter. That is one side of hexagon. We'll start with A. Hexagons have 6 parts, so we'll have 6 parts. Next from this point, next from this point. So 6 parts you have to do. 6 box, because hexagons having 6 parts. Right. With 35 millimeter, I have drawn 6 parts. Now we'll join each other with thin lines. Now we'll join all the points with thin line. We'll make it dark only because bottom is a retained part. we'll make it dark. In development, bottom part is retaining, that's why I'm making it dark. And then after joining these two, you can measure this length. You will be having 35 only. You can measure, however, because you have taken true length 74, you are not taking axis or something, you are taking true length. Because of that, you will get exactly 35 mm one side, and true length you have taken here 74. Now we'll cut from O, so I will take distance from base. Now I'm taking the true length, not this, right? D dash C dash I'm not taking. From true length I'm taking, from base 1 and 2 distance I'm taking, both are same. From base I have taken, so before that I will mark B, C, D, E, F, A. So on A and B it is, so A is also here, B is here, A is here. So 2 points we got. This is first point on either side and this is second point. Now we'll go for third point. On the same true length only I'm taking the distance. Third point on C. So here we'll get third point, and then we'll go for fourth point. See, the distance is here, very small distance. So fourth point is on D, 4 and 5. So on E also same distance, and then I will take sixth distance. From base I am taking, and from base only I am cutting. If you are taking from O, you can cut it from O. So all the points we got. Now we'll join all the points. Next one 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and we'll make the part which is inside the development, we'll make it dark. So this part is the development part. This base, when you open from OA, so this is what we will get as a developed part.